Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by dx on numerator and denominator. So this one we simplified and we have like this. Next, we can use about polar coordinates. So I will put about x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, and then we have x squared plus y squared. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. So we have like this. So we have r square. We can do about factorization. And then we have cosine theta square plus sine theta square. And we know that this one equals to number 1. So we can simplify like this. And the next one, that is about theta. So to find about theta, we put about x over y. So that means we have r cosine theta. We put in here. This one go in here. So we simplify and we have r simplified by r. And then we have cosine theta. So we have theta equal to r cosine of x over y. Now we have the next one, that is about dx and dy. So in this situation, we can do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1 dx over dt. So we do first the derivative of r. So we have number 1 dr over dt multiplied by cosine theta. Later that we need to do first the derivative of cosine theta. We have negative sine theta. And that is about d theta over dt. And now we simplify dt. So we have dx equals to dr cosine theta minus r sine theta d theta. Now we can do similar for the second one. So this one we will have about dy equals to sine theta dr plus r cosine theta d theta. And now we go back in here. So x that is about this one. the x that is about this one. The y that is about this one. Y that is about this one. This one we change by r square in here. And now, if we simplify this one in here, we will have about r dr. This one, if we simplify, we have about negative r square d theta. So the square root of r square, we have r. So we can write like this. So I will put r go to the left, this one go in here, d theta go to the right, and then we have like this. Now we simplified r square, r square. Next, I will put the negative go to the right. So we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, that is about arcsine of r. The integration of this one, that is about theta. And I will put about c. About r, we can use about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides. So we need to change r into this one. This one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.